Alright, welcome back again to my channel, and let's continue our tutorial uh, Pictoblox. Yes, Pictoblox tutorial, and today we are going to make what the name of it. I just open the Sentiment Mastermind Text Analysis Adventure. Wow. So what kind of application we're going to make is the application can recognize the handwriting that we wrote, such as when we wrote sad, and then Toby will say sentences to answer it. Sad, and then when we write happy, Toby will feel happy, and then when we wrote what else, excited, then Toby will excited, say something excited. Okay, to make it quick, let's start step by step the easy way to make that one. The first one, like usual, just open Pictoblox. Okay, we will wait. Okay, then choose Python over here. Then I already prepare the code. Okay, this one, copy and paste. You can follow, copy and paste to your, what is that, your Pictoblox. Alright, oh my god. Okay, this one, little explanation about this code. Import time, same like before. We need library times, and then go to x at the point 193 minus 116 for y, and minus 193 for x. tr, the variable for text recognition. tr video to open the camera. On flip, yeah, it's been flip camera, like mirroring. Okay, and then the main code is while true. This is looping again. While tr text recognition, if hand written text result, string set, this one string, when you write set of your paper, and then this Toby will say this one. If you write happy, Toby will say this one. If you write excited, Toby will say this one. Frustrate, Toby will say this one. If Toby cannot recognize, Toby will say try again. Okay, for 2 seconds, and then time slip 3 seconds. Okay, let's start the code. Okay, here we go. Just go run all. Okay, success. I just prepare. Okay, my credit is low. I just wrote happy. Okay, oh, I must flip this one, happy. Okay, happy. Wait for Toby. Happy. Okay, I'm more happy to know that you're happy. And then the second one is sad. Maybe, yes, sad. Okay, sad. What happened with sad? Toby will say sad. Oh, don't be sad. Be happy with your have. Be excited about what you want. Okay, that's good job. Success. And the last one is excited. Okay, excited. What to be? Yay, glad to know you are excited. Okay. In Indonesia we call mantap. Okay. It works. Yeah. Good job. Easy way to follow. You can try at your home. I think that's all for today. See you and bye bye. Bye.